Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today for my wait, what? Tip video, I've got an oldie but a goodie, and it never hurts to revisit the oldies. I had lunch today with two of my team members that I had never met, one from Arizona and the other one from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They happened to be in the area and we got together for a very nice lunch. I invited them over to my house so they could look at all my swap cards from the Orlando Onstage event. And I just happened to mention that I needed to figure out a topic for my Wednesday tip video. Well, they came up with a great idea. So thanks to Sue and Dee Dee, we have this fabulous tip. When using the Simply Scored, sometimes do you ever have where you're scoring and then suddenly you jump channels and it's hard to stay in the channel? Well, they shared with me that they take some wax paper. So I went digging in the kitchen. I thought, oh no, I don't have any wax paper. My husband is doing all the cooking now, so I wasn't sure, but I found some. And they just fold it up, and then they take it and they rub it on their cardstock before they score. And what happens is a little tiny bit of that wax transfers. And then when you're doing your scoring, it just slides so nice. It's absolutely perfect. So I think you should give this a try next time you get out your scoreboard. You're gonna make some fun folds, some fancy folds, some boxes with the holiday season coming up. I'll be sharing some box templates with you using the scoreboard. Get out some wax paper. I'm not pushing hard, just rub it over, and you're gonna find that your stylus is a lot smoother and it's not jumping channels so easily. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. If you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd love to earn your business and I'd love to send you some catalogs because they are stinking adorable. You can pop me an email at kelly@stampabove.com. If you'd like to order any products, you can head over to my blog. You'll find an online ordering button in the right-hand column. Use the host code. That'll get you some special perks with me. And once again, I'd just like to thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye.